I don't know exactly what to do here, but somebody, BGock requested a slob on my knob, the motion. So, I don't know exactly what to do, but I think I should use a prop. That just seems... Here, so I got a screwdriver. Oh, I'm gonna get called a slut in so many ways. So I don't like just the motion doesn't mean a prop though. So like slob on my knob, like corn on the cob. That's not hot. Slob on my knob. Okay, I'm gonna put this away. You want me to make a rap song with motion?